Welcome to these lessons. If you're excited about exploring all the awesome features, this is for you. In these lessons, we'll take a closer look at how you can upgrade to ChatGPT Plus. Let's dive right in. ChatGPT Plus is an extra options you can choose to pay for. It comes with some cool extras and use more advanced language model GPT-4. But it's not required to keep up with this course. You can still use your free ChatGPT account for the rest of our lessons. But if you're curious about more features, ChatGPT Plus might be something to think about. With ChatGPT Plus, you'll get a bunch of cool things that go beyond what the free version offers. First, you can choose ChatGPT even when it's really busy, so you won't have to wait to use it when you really need it. You'll also get fast responses, so you'll get answers quick. And guess what? You'll be one of the first to try out new stuff and improvements as they come out. It's like being ahead of the game. And you can even add extra things using other tools like plugins if you want. If you're interested in upgrading, here's how you can do it. Step number one, make sure you have an account. If you don't worry. You can make an OpenAI account using your email, Google, Microsoft, or Apple account. Step two, open ChatGPT and find the Upgrade to Plus button that you can find at the bottom left of the page. The Upgrade Plan page will show up. Step number three, click Upgrade Plan. Give your payment details, and that's it. You're now enjoying all the cool extra of ChatGPT Plus. If you're curious about GPT-4, you can even give it a try for free by signing up for Microsoft Bing's AI and use the chat mode, which we will talk more about that later on. So whether you decide to upgrade or not, you're all set to continue.